Starting from October 1, 2023, there will be an increase in prices for Japan Rail Pass and all other regional passes such as JR East, JR West, JR Hokkaido, JR Central, JR Shikoku, and JR Kyushu. Effective October 1, 2023, Japan Rail Pass prices will see a significant increase, with revisions set to take place at 0400 Japan time. The price adjustments range from 65% to 77% for various pass categories. To provide added value, Japan Rail Pass will now include a special Nozomi Nizuo ticket exclusively for pass holders. The Nozomi Nizuo ticket allows travel on Tokaido and Sanyo Shinkansen with Nozomi train, and the Sanyo and Kyushu Shinkansen with Nizuo trains. This ticket will be available for sale on October 1 and can be used from the same date onwards. Please note that it can only be used alongside the Japan Rail Pass and is valid for one day only. You can purchase it at all JR ticket offices nationwide, designated ticket machines, and overseas agents authorized by JR. Despite the price increase, JR plans to provide special discounts for attractions in major cities across Japan, with more details set to be released from early September onwards. Notably, from October 1, Japan Rail Pass can only be purchased from the official dedicated website or other overseas agents authorized by JR, as local Japan sales offices will no longer sell it. Here's the revised price table for your reference. Keep these changes in mind when planning your travels with Japan Rail Pass and take advantage of the additional benefits it offers. Here's the price table for the special Nozomi Nizuo ticket for your reference. Please take note that the JR Pass purchased from the overseas agents authorized by JR has a validity of 3 months from the date the order was issued. Playing it safe, if you bought on the September 29, 2023, you can exchange the exchange order by December 29, 2023. Hope this update can help you plan better for your upcoming trip to Japan. You can access all the links from the below descriptions and the channel's blog for all the price table. JR East has also implemented price increases for their regional pass, with adjustments ranging from 23% to 50% depending on the type of pass. Here's a table for your reference. Additionally, the price of the Hokuriku Arch Pass will be updated in conjunction with the line extension of Hokuriku Shinkansen to Tsuruga Station, which is scheduled for the spring of 2024. JR West has implemented a price revision and made changes to products exclusive for visitors to Japan, especially their regional passes. Similar to the Japan Rail Pass, prices remain the same when purchasing from overseas agents or making online reservations through their system. However, it's important to note that, due to increase of online bookings, JR West ticket offices will stop selling some regional passes on site. Here's a table for your reference. Fortunately, the price adjustments for JR West are not as drastic as those for the Japan Rail Pass. One positive change is the increase in the number of reserved seats allocated to certain passes. Previously, some passes could only reserve seats up to 6 times, but starting from October 1, this will change to unlimited, which is a great improvement. Regarding the Laikoko and Haruka deals, they will be discontinued as of September 30, 2023. If you are interested in collecting the unique designs of these Aikoko cards, be sure to get them before September 30. JR Hokkaido will be implementing price revisions, with changes ranging from 1,000 to 1,500 yen, and some increase up to 6,000 yen and 8,000 yen respectively. Unlike the Japan Rail Pass, JR Hokkaido will still retain the price difference between purchasing from inside Japan and from overseas agents authorized by JR. Here's the table for your reference. Additionally, JR Hokkaido has plans to introduce a new pass, a 10 days Hokkaido Rail Pass, which will cater to visitors planning to stay for a longer period. This new pass is expected to offer more convenience and flexibility for travelers exploring the beautiful region of Hokkaido. JR Central will be implementing a price increase ranging from 1,930 to 5,540 yen. Unlike JR Hokkaido, there will be no price difference between purchasing from overseas agents and JR West online train reservation. Here's the table for your reference. As for the Alpine Takayama Matsumoto Area Tourist Pass, there is no update available at the moment. Please stay tuned for any announcements regarding this pass in the future. JR Shikoku has recently revised its prices on May 20, 2023. Interestingly, they continue to maintain the price difference between overseas agents and local sales, with a difference of 500 yen. Regarding seat reservations, JR Shikoku has an interesting approach. They offer reserved seat booklets, containing 4 reserved tickets, providing travelers with more flexibility. Here's the table for your reference. Please take note of these updates and changes when planning your travels with JR Shikoku. JR Kyushu has implemented price increases ranging from 1,000 yen to as high as 5,000 yen. However, for the Sanyo-Sanin Northern Kyushu Pass, the price remains consistent regardless of whether you purchase it from overseas agents, the JR West online train reservation website, or a JR station ticket office. Here's the table for your reference. Please take note of these price adjustments when planning your travels with JR Kyushu. The Sanyo-Sanin Northern Kyushu Pass, in particular, offers a fixed price for greater convenience and ease of purchase. You can access all the links from the below descriptions and the channel's blog for all the price table. Click here for more videos regarding essential information about your trip to Japan. Thank you for staying to the end.